So hello guys, welcome to my channel Rubikskewb. Today I will be solving 5 different speed cubes to check the average of 5. Let's scramble all of them. As you can see, all the cubes are scrambled. First we will solve the yuxin little magic. It's magnetic. It's a good speed cube. A good 15-second solve. Now we will solve the GAN 356R. It's also magnetic. A pretty good 14.6-second solve. It's the rs3m 2020. It's also magnetic and it's a really good speed cube. Average 16.9-second solve, not good and not bad also. So this is the Tornado V2 magnetic. It's the best cube in my collection. A good 15-second solve. This is a local cube, so I don't know the name. It's not magnetic as well. Oh, a corner twisted. Bad solve, I would say. Let's check the average. It's 15.96 seconds. Not good and not bad also. But I'll try to improve my average of 5 next time. So stay tuned for more content. And please don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, bye.